Kaunti ya Nyamira na somo yega bugucengera machiwa maya asamatemwa yo mwakweta wekirasi ga 12 imeye kaunti ya Nyamira imeye geti kya manga ase bono abarai ao banyarako bagusangerekana boigo amona babwatani Riechisemi eryo gwakerambia mono abana beskuru bali bakoreta amatemu biya boigo amono kuba omoyo umuyega onyarako bagukorawa amono mugavana onyamira kaunti Amos Nyaribo gati yabarai bande asingincho ya machiwa maya yechiskuru cha Nyamira.
Mwancho umuligalia asinkwana yaye umudirekta Riechisemi orogongo rwa Nyanza Lawrence Karantimi uyo osoma ujumbe y'umuwaziri Riechisemi umuske Julius Migosi ogamba nigo ariganiri egetambukiro kiyogo kinia ebiyewa naboigo Chisemi aznene mono chibobundi imeye kaunta ya Nyamira asensembo yaye umugavana Amos Nyaribo we kaunta ya Nyamira nigo aganirie okobwaterana eriyo koimukereria igoro ebirengo Riechisemi imeye kaunta ya Nyamira na kuria eira abana ba ECD mbachego chaka konywa erongori umusaki wito Petrol Machini naringe ase umuyogoyo otwariganiria na gotoretera oroboti oro rokobwatia Nasumaiga buguchingira machiwa mayasa matemu yo mwako ita ikirasi 12 me kaunti ya Nyamira megeti kya manga wadi ya manga kaunti yo Asabatan Riechisemi na wiga borko na baraibe kaunti yo bakora no mugavana we kaunti ya Nyamira Amos Nyaribo bachingira machiwa maya yechiskuru cha Nyamira
for sharing education in Nyamira County, which now stands with an average mean of 6+, from 4.5 to 6, increasing by 1.5 units.
As a county, we have been able, through the efforts of our teachers, our POMs, our principals, all stakeholders, we are sending 9,045 students who scored above C+, which is over 50%, to university direct entry.
Asingwa na director Riechisemi rongo rwa Nyanza uyosoma ujumbe yo mawaziri Riechisemi muskemi gosyo gamba nigo ariganira gitambura kyogo kinebyego na boigo Chisemi anene mono cyobo bundi me county yo ya Nyamira.
This is an important day whose purpose is to take stock of the achievements in the education sector in Nyamira County. We also reward learners who excelled in the Kenya Certificate of Secondary Education examination in 2024. The event also entails displays of students and pupils' innovations and creative works. The theme of this event, promoting talent, skills and academic achievement for patriotism and sustainable development in Nyamira County, is timely.
Sinseme ya mugavana Nyaribo nigaganiria kubwatirana eri kwimukirira igore birengo Riechisemi me kaunti Nyamira asiboigarire ira n'abana bakeba ibirasi BCD mbachigo chaga kunyerongori
to make sure that the education continue improving as our county will continue building pre-unity classes every year, and also we have increased the funding for TVETs and the county polytechnics. For the first time, from second term of this month, of next month, which is May, the government has provided some money to produce and supply a cup of uchi, fortified uchi, to our ECD students.
Ingana yokobao ku University Nyamira nigeta chwa maiga asabari abakora no mujumbe bwebunge ya Kitutu Masaba muske Clive Gesairo amona ba MC baganiro kobao asubanga university yo.
The issue of university, as Dr. Kero mentioned, about all of us accommodating our university. I am the first to raise that proposal, right from the first night we met in Mombasa as a county leadership, on the need of reducing infighting to fight for common good for Nyamira. we cannot be given a university, then we start scrambling for the place where it is situated. There are people who have an issue of getting the university to start with. So, Nyamira, University of Nyamira, and also University of Nyamira.
Kuripotiria Oyo Minto TV kurasegeti Kiamanga Yekaunti ya Nyamira, editora na Pethuel Machin. Omwancho